When it comes to all of the conflict that moms and dads have about parenting, the best way that I can summarize the solution is that there has to be deeper, more concrete communication and discussion about what it is that both of you are trying to accomplish when raising this child into a healthy adult and how it is that you plan on getting there. You cannot architect your child into the person as you want them to be, but you have to have some kind of future direction. Otherwise, decision making is going to be very difficult. Most likely, your husband is reacting from observations and experiences from his past, as most of us do. And so pick a time when you are both relaxed and can have a talk about the hopes and dreams that you have for your child. And also, what kind of hopes and dreams do you have for yourself as a mother or a father? What kind of parent is it that you want to be? And so you should be talking about everything from social skills, financial skills, educational goals, health goals. When will you allow your child to have a cell phone? Join social media, play video games. How are you going to handle dating, bullying? How are you going to handle discipline for different infractions? Can you see where I'm going with this? When my kids were preteens, I even started the wedding discussion because I saw all of these over-the-top weddings on social media. And so I'm like, we need to start talking about this now. Talk about these issues before they become big issues. You are going to change your mind on a lot of it, which is a good thing. But by having the communication started early, you are going to reduce and prevent a lot of conflict.